Hello gardening enthusiasts, welcome back to TMG. Today we're spotlighting a dazzling addition to any flower bed or container, Dianthus Delilah Magenta. Did you know that the name Dianthus is derived from the Greek words dios, meaning divine, and anthos, meaning flower? Dianthus truly lives up to his name as the divine flower, and Delilah Magenta's vibrant hues make it a heavenly sight in any garden. Dianthus Delilah Magenta is a compact, clump-forming perennial that typically grows 8 to 12 inches tall and spreads about 10 to 14 inches wide. Its flowers are a vivid magenta with intricate fringe edges that adds texture and elegance. The blooms sit atop slender stems surrounded by silvery green, grass-like foliage that stays evergreen in milder climates. With its long-lasting flowers and charming, mounding habit, Delilah Magenta is a showstopper from late spring through early fall. Dianthus varieties are native to Europe and Asia, thriving in temperate climates. The Delilah Magenta cultivar is specifically bred for ornamental use, adapting well to garden beds and borders, rock gardens, and containers. This plant prefers sunny spots with well-drained soil, making it an excellent choice for areas prone to drought or gardens with sandy or rocky soil. While Delilah Magenta is a cultivated variety, its wild relatives play a vital role in supporting pollinators. Bees and butterflies are particularly attracted to its nectar-rich blooms, ensuring a lively and buzzing garden. In addition to its pollinator appeal, Dianthus plants help stabilize soil in rock gardens and sloped landscapes. Dianthus Delilah Magenta is a low-maintenance perennial perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Full sun is ideal, though it can tolerate partial shade in hotter climates. It prefers well-draining, slightly alkaline soil. Add lime if your soil is too acidic. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry out between sessions. Overwatering can lead to root rot. And deadhead the spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering. Cut back the foliage in late fall for a tidy appearance. Delilah Magenta pairs beautifully with other sun-loving plants like lavender, salvia, and ornamental grasses. Its magenta blooms also pop against silver or green foliage, creating a striking visual contrast. Dianthus flowers are more than just pretty, they're edible too. The petals of Delilah Magenta can be used in garnish salads, desserts, or cocktails, adding a touch of elegance and mild clove-like flavor. While not commonly used medicinally, Dianthus has been part of traditional remedies in some cultures, often valued for its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. And there you have it, the enchanting Dianthus Delilah Magenta. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Dianthus stories or tips in the comments. Until next time, happy gardening.